Here we go. Wow. We got pea-size.
Here it comes.
Whoa, right here, right here. Come on, birds, get to your hole. Get safety, baby. They're probably so confused. Oh, we're so close.
Are we?
Yeah. Look at the...
Whoa! Wow! That's kind of fucking scary.
That was very scary. Wow. God. We're right next to it.
You know where to go for a tornado here? They have a laundry room with no windows. See where all the laundry shit is there? Yeah. So it's gonna be that corner of the building. Just so you know. I beeline it. I don't care if I have to go through a window.
I'm with you.
I'm Austin, by the way.
Scott.
Scott, I'll give you,
Yeah.
I'll give you a handshake in a minute.
Yeah, I bailed on my Vegas trip.
Really?
Decided to come down here. It might be safer, but our kids are out of school for 3 weeks. That might have been it though. Whoa.
Perfect. Yeah, it was a lot. Jeez. Look at that, the contrast in color.
I know, I see it.
That's crazy.
Incredible.
Wow. Oh my God. These clouds are...
See, now that was full. See, like, open it back up.
We're not even going to be dodging this.
Oh, yeah, it's close to us. It's like right behind this one.
It's coming.
That's